Subscribe now. While we wait for its January 16th announcement in Taiwan, we get to see the first live images of the upcoming Sharp Aquos S3. The live images fall in line with those we saw from the Aquos S3's visit to the Techno. It has glass on the front and back with a metal frame, sandwiched in between. The phone was also certified by the Taiwanese Communications Commission, NCC, too. The back of the Sharp Aquos S3 hosts a dual camera, likely a 12MP plus 13MP setup, LED flash and a fingerprint scanner. The front is almost entirely taken up by a 5.99-inch LCD of 1080 by 2040 px resolution. It appears to have a tiny notch at the top too. The Sharp Aquos S3 will most likely be powered by either a Snapdragon 660 or 630. It's expected to become available in 2 RAM plus storage configurations -4GB plus 64GB and 6GB plus 128. Sharp will make the Aquos S3 official next week, on January 16th in Taiwan. It will go on sale in black, gold and blue colors.